Hello everyone. Welcome to the class and good morning, all of you. And today we are discuss about the Hindu newspaper on 26th January. Okay, so 26th January, you remember this date. So मैं 26 जनवरी के अबाउट 26 जनवरी एक क्लास आपको दे चुकी हूँ, एक वीडियो, तो आप उसके बाद मैंने पूरा कंप्लीट किया है कि हमारी 26 जनवरी हम क्यों मनाते हैं, क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो आप पहले उसको देख लेंगे. ओके, सो दिस क्लास हम इस क्लास में हम द हिंदू डिस्कस करेंगे, द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. एंड अगेन हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे. ओके, सो let's start. The first topic is 7 get Padma Vibhushan and 19 named for Padma Bhushan. Okay. Now, the list comprises 7 Padma Vibhushan and 19 Padma Bhushan and 113 Padma Shri awards. 23 of the awards are women, and the list also includes 10 persons from the category of foreigners. Okay, NRI, PIO, OCI, and 13 posthumous awards. Okay. Now, the Padma Awards are one of the India's highest civilian honors, announced annually on the eve of Republic Day. Okay, ये आज क्यों ये टॉपिक में पद्मा अवार्ड क्या होता है, कितने आज तक मिल चुके हैं हमारे इंडिया में. ओके, सो बिकॉज पद्मा अवार्ड्स आर one of the India's highest civilian honors, announced annually the eve of Republic Day. Okay, and the award are given in the 3 categories. Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is for exceptional and distinguished services. Okay, Padma Bhushan, distinguished service of higher order, and Padma Shri, distinguished services. Okay, now these awards are conferred by the President of India and at ceremonial functions which are held at Rashtrapati Bhavan, usually around March. Okay, around March on 26 January, I mean Republic Day. Okay, April every year. For the year 2025, the President has approved conferment of 139 Padma Award, including one Ducase. In a Ducase, the award is connected as one. As per list below. The list comprises 7 Padma Vibhushan, 19 Padma Bhushan, and 113 Padma Shri awards. 23 of the awards are women, and the list also included 10 persons from the category of foreigners, NRI, PIO, OCI, and 13 most awards. Now, next topic is a Vande Bharat train touches base in Jammu and Kashmir for first time on Republic Day Eve. Okay, देखो वंदे भारत ट्रेन जो है आज पहली बार रिपब्लिक डे पे, ओके, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के अंदर वहाँ पे ये चलिए पहली बार इसका कह सकते हैं एक तरीके से उद्घाटन कर दिया गया. ओके, ऑन द ईव ऑफ रिपब्लिक डे वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस टच ग्राउंड इन द कश्मीर वैली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर सक्सेसफुल ट्रायल रन्स हेल्ड इन द पास्ट 2 months on track constructed in the high altitude and mountainous regions of the Pir Panjal, connecting the valley with the Jammu region. Okay, now discuss briefly. The train, which has been especially designed for the climate in Kashmir, has been launched to enhance rail connectivity in the region. And India's prowess in railway technology was on full display on Saturday, and is connected the first trial run of Vande Bharat train from Sri Mata Vishnu Devi Katra station to Srinagar station on Chenab bridge. Okay, remember that Vande Bharat train from Sri Mata Vishnu Devi Katra station to Srinagar station on Chenab bridge, the world's highest railway bridge. Okay, remember that the world's highest railway bridge is Chenab bridge. Okay, the train will also pass through Anji Khad bridge and India's first cable stayed railway bridge. Okay, Climate adaptability has also been factored in while designing the train, keeping in mind the comfort of the passengers when it comes into traveling in cold climate conditions of the valley. Okay, the train can operate at a temperature as low as 30 degrees Celsius. Now, after a brief stop at Srinagar station, the train continue its trial run to Budgam station. The train on its journey crossed through the world's highest railway bridge, Chenab Bridge in Rasi, and which falls on Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. You know, Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link, USBRL. Okay, its key feature, Vande Bharat key feature. The Vande Bharat Express was designed for Jammu and Kashmir's challenging winters in June 2024, and with advanced heating system to prevent freezing of water and bio toilet tanks. Okay, now जम्मू एंड कश्मीर चैलेंजिंग विंटर इन जून 2024 ना अभी हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखेंगे. देखो वहाँ पे मतलब जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल हो रखी है इस बार भी, बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे विंटर्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रही है, तो उसको देखते हुए ये इसमें हीटिंग सिस्टम भी है. ओके, इट ऑल्सो बॉट्स वार्म एयर सर्कुलेशन फॉर द इवैक्यूम सिस्टम एंड ऑप्शनल एयर ब्रेक फंक्शनिंग एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग सब जीरो टेम्परेचर्स. Now, the train also has embedded heating elements in the windshields to automatically defrost of diverse looking glass, ensuring clear visibility during harsh winters. The Vande Bharat Express also comes equipped with all the amenities in other Vande Bharat trains, such as fully air conditioned coaches, automatic plug doors, and mobile charging sockets, and more. Okay, USBRL project, I mean Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. Okay, so the Indian Railway have completed 272 kilometers of the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail links USBRL project and conduct 6 trial runs across various sections of the track. The country's first cable stayed rail bridge, the Anji Khat Bridge, is also part of the USBRL and is one of the 2 highest railway bridges of the world, along with the Chenab Bridge. Okay, a single pylon of the bridge rises 331 meters above the riverbed, with the pylon itself reaching 191 meters above the foundation, and the entire bridge is 4,725 meters in length as well. Now, next topic is डल लेक. देखो ये टॉपिक मैंने इसलिए नहीं लिया कि वहाँ पे मतलब क्या हो रहा है मौसम में, इसके लिए नहीं, बट मैंने डल लेक जो है श्रीनगर में उसके लिए लिया है. हम जानेंगे डल लेक क्या मतलब किस टाइप की है, क्या होता है वहाँ पे. ए बोटमैन ट्राइज टू ब्रेक द आइस विद ए स्टिक while making the way through the partially frozen surface of the Dal Lake in Srinagar. देखो वंदे भारत ट्रेन में अभी बोला मैंने, अभी बताया कि वहाँ पे जो इतने ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा विंटर, बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर लो हो जाता है, माइनस में पहुँच जाता है, इसकी वजह से जो लोग रेल से सफ़र करेंगे ट्रेन से, वंदे भारत ट्रेन से, तो उसमें हीटिंग प्रोसेस मतलब कि हीट की भी प्रक्रिया चलती है. ओके, सो इसलिए अब देखो यहाँ पे डल लेक जो है श्रीनगर में, ये कितने ज़्यादा फ्रोजन, यहाँ पे बर्फ़ जो है जम गई है. ओके, तो ये लोग बोट को निकालने के लिए वे ढूंढ रहे हैं, बर्फ़ को तोड़ करके, ब्रेक करके उसको. सो इट इज़ ए स्मॉल मिड एटीट्यूड लेक सिचुएटेड इन श्रीनगर. ओके, हम डल लेक की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so it is a small mid-altitude lake situated in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Now, it is surrounded by the Pir Panjal mountain. You know Pir Panjal mountain. It is named the jewel in the crown of Kashmir, or Srinagar's jewel. Okay, it is named the jewel in the crown of Kashmir, or Srinagar's jewel. It is the second largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and the lake covers an area of 18 square kilometer and is part of a natural wetland which cover 21.1 square kilometer. Okay, the wetland is divided by causeways into four basins: Gagribal, uh, Lokudel, and Bordel, and Nagin, although Nagin is also considered an independent lake. So the shoreline of the lake is about 15.5 kilometers, 9.6 meter. Okay, is encompassed by Boulevard link with Mughal era gardens, park, houseboats, and hostel. The floating gardens known as Rat in Kashmiri blossom with lotus flowers during July to August. Okay, July to August. And Dal Lake is also popular for the floating market where vendors have their own shikaras or wooden boats or approach tourists. The depth of the water varies from 6 meters at its deepest to 2.5 meters at its shallowest. And during the winter season, the temperature sometimes reaches -11 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, 12 फ़ारेनहाइट होता है. फ्रीजिंग द लेक. ओके, जो अभी तक इसका मतलब ना इस टाइम पे हो रखा है, लेक फ्रीजिंग हो चुकी रखी है ये. सो its islands, Dal Lake including 3 islands, 2 of which are marked with beautiful chinar trees, and the islands located on the Lakudal is known as Rof Lank. Okay, Silver Islands is marked with the presence of majestic chinar tree at the four corners, thus known as Char Chinar. Okay, 4 chinars. The second Chinar Islands known as Son Lane, Gold Island. Okay, एक था Rof Lane, which means Silver Islands, and Son Lane means Gold Islands. Is located on the Bordel, Big Dal, and overlooks the holy shrine of Hazratable. Okay, so I hope ये आज की क्लास में आपको कोई डाउट नहीं होगा. हमने ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके, अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं. एंड नाउ अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए एवरी क्लास का, तो आप टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. टेलीग्राम का लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, मिलेगा आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. वहाँ पे जाके टेलीग्राम में जाके आपको नोट्स इसके पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.